Hi guys, I'm using i3 with ASRock 15155 socket. Now I'm already using a new set of PSU. I have 8 gig DDR. Now my problem is when I turn on my computer, PSU is not working and CPU fan is only attempting to move. Let me show you. Wait. Look at this. Wait. Look at the CPU fan. That is my problem. It's not working. What are the possibilities problem here? Is it the motherboard? What cause of this damage? Thank you. Hope you can help me.